Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
Is you gonna smile or what? Smile.
I did smile.
Smile. Look happy. Look like you enjoyed yourself.
I did. I was here.
Look happy. Smile. Smile. Let's see them whites. Ah, like this. Ah. Alright, so just pulling up the Sac Speed Shop. Y'all see all these LS powered greatness up in this thing? Man, how you on the clock working on your own car, bruh? How you afford this? You sell drugs outside of being here? I know they ain't paying that good.
Man, I got OnlyFans.
Oh, let me see them feet.
Clothes? No.
Man, what's up? You throw a pulley and stuff on here yet, or what? What's the word? This thing fast yet?
It's just slow as fuck.
It's a baller mobile though. It's just clean. This thing over here is slapping.
Oh, over here, I got you. Yeah.
What? This thing's clean. Hella clean. Alright, so our ride along is here. Currently, y'all can't see it. You can see a little bit. Come on, girl. It's the camera. Yeah. Camera rolling.
Got a lip.
See, trying to be cute. You should have came with the cast. What's up? How you doing?
Hi.
It's been my friend on Facebook for a minute. You was kind of short. I thought you was taller in your pictures. I'm towering over, boy. Tower. You in here doing editing, fool?
Yes, sir.
I didn't even know you was in here. What's cracking?
How's it going?
Cool. You supposed to be in that hospital boot. Trying to be cute with the flip flops.
No, I was trying to find my slide that hold my foot together and I couldn't find it. Lucky.
She didn't want her boot. All right, so traditional question that we ask everybody: what is the fastest car you've rode in?
Fastest car, maybe a Challenger.
A Challenger? All right, we got that beat. Was it fast to you or nah? Was it slow?
It was slow, but it wasn't like I'm so scared.
All right, we're gonna see if we can change that today. Is you ready?
No.
Is you ready? Is you ready? I think you ready. I think she ready.
Not ready.
I think you ready. She ready. When I finish setting up cameras, we might put one on here somewhere. We're gonna try this. All right, so we're gonna try this mount right here. This actually works hella good, and it has curvature towards the bumper, so hopefully my GoPro don't fly off the shit.
What? Are we done? Are you ready? The light's on in the clock. You want me to help you?
All right, so we just got our thumbnail, and now it's time to go. Now you ready, right? Let's go. Let's get it. It's a button on the inside.
I have long nails.
Struggling, man.
I have nails. Oh my god.
Just dive in. Fall in like my granny. My granny just kept falling in there.
That's horrible. Why you make her drive in this fucking tiny ass car?
You good?
Hold on. Let me put my seatbelt on. Crazy ass driving.
So we're gonna start it off slow or what?
We have to.
Why?
You don't know if there's a lot of cars.
You gonna ease into it?
You have to. No, don't even. Just get it over with.
Just get it over with.
You're stressing me out. How do I agree to this? It's not for me.
You good?
Yeah, fine.
Hey, it ain't no fun if you cover your eyes.
I can't help it. That's what I do, and I plug my ears too.
Why, you don't like the sound?
No, I don't like anything.
It's gonna be for the slow-mo.
No. I had it covered. Fuck you, it's covered. Ah, the seatbelt got it. Oh, shit. Oh my God, it's a pretty car.
Don't worry about the cars.
Yes, I'm very worried about the cars. What are you talking about?
Scary cat.
Yes. What are you talking about? You knew this for how long now? I am a scaredy cat. Like, what the fuck? That's why you want me on here, isn't it? Shit. Oh, no, you want me on here because of these. I forgot.
No. I didn't say, hey, you got boobs, let me do a ride along. I said, what did I say? I said, you'll be the first black female to actually be like, I'm gonna do it. Don't try to make me out to be a perv. I never once said nothing about no titties.
No, but you said you used to wear this shirt.
Nah,
Yes, you did.
I was just commenting on your pictures. I'm
Oh,
like, that's a
okay.
good top. That's a good top. That's a good top.
Hard for me. I can't.
funny because that answers your question.
I don't like it. I don't like it. No! Shit! God damn it! Shut the fuck! No! No!
You good?
No! Like, what the fuck? That's how people die. My hair's nappy now. Like,
But did you die?
almost! He was kind of close.
That was not close.
It was so very close.
You good? You want to weave through some more or what?
No more weaving with all this traffic.
This is easy though. This is like,
This is not easy.
ready?
No,
Ready?
not ready. There's too much traffic. There's too many cars. This is how what's his name died.
Who? Paul Walker?
No, the other one from Jackass. I don't like
You're not gonna die though. You'll be alright.
Stop saying those things.
We're not. We'll be alright. Bar level 1000. At any point did you feel like we was about to crash?
Yeah, when you was racing that boy.
Why? Look, they're gonna popo right there.
Could have got your ass too.
Shh.
With me in the car, you would have
Yep.
been pulling the fuck over. Like, don't even play with me.
With you in the car, you would have been like, this nigga taking me on a fucking high speed chase. I fucking hate him. You would have to block me.
I would have
Like,
never talked to you again. Like,
You would be like, I am not fucking with bruh no more.
he got me involved in a felony chase.
You only get the felony if they catch you. And they only charge the driver, not the passenger.
So, but I could have been what? Helping you, accessory. I don't know.
I only work for like other type of crimes where damage and shit is involved. You could have been like, I was just in a car and this nigga was.
Wildin'.
Start
I ain't no
racing
snitch
somebody.
though. So
Then
how's that
fucking
gonna
go
work?
down with me like
No,
a
I'm
thug.
not
We
going
both
down
going
with you
down.
either. I was gonna be like, I don't know anything.
Go down with me. MVP.
I ain't going down nowhere.
Oh, we gotta get over.
All right. You said no drifting. Get it the fuck together.
It only slid a little bit.
You said no drifting. That was a condition as well. That's back on, Jesus.
Nope.
Why?
Glasses back off or we
We're
about to start.
done.
We about to start weaving again.
But we're done. We're done.
We're gonna start weaving.
We're done.
Glasses off.
Well, okay, but you said we're done.
They want to see them lash extensions.
No, they don't.
They want to see them lash extensions.
No. What the fuck? We were done.
Don't want to race Honda, boy? Oh, Honda trying to chase us. Man, you want to race, bro? You want to race?
Aren't those the street races?
Yep, beep beep, man.
Well, he got some knocks in there or something.
We're gonna take him.
No, we better not. We're
What's
done.
up?
He
Run
doing
it, let's
right.
go. Let's do it.
What the fuck? What I get myself into?
Yeah.
What do you say? No, never mind.
He said, hey, you that YouTuber, huh?
Oh.
got the two-stepper. Let's do it.
What the fuck? What are you doing? I hate you! You probably gotta change your tires out so often.
Nah, I ain't changed these yet.
Oh. Hell no, that does not make me feel better. Oh, right on some bald ass tires. How do I get out?
Push the little white
Get
button.
me out. This
Yeah.
It's not a white button.
Brother, there's a white dot.
This is a white dot. It's not a white button. The button is the black button. In the middle is the dot.
All right, so thoughts. What do you think?
What? That you're fucking insane? Yes, absolutely. He's a crazy driver.
Nah, that's not what I'm.
Trust it.
I'm asking if you had fun.
Oh, I had. It was okay. It was fun on the way back.
Because we was cruising. We wasn't doing nothing.
It was fun. I did.
Boring. Was it faster than that Challenger?
Yes, obviously.
Bruh, first time. Hold on. First time, bruh. No makeup.
Shut up. What's wrong with you?
Just eyelashes, huh? High five. High five.
Thanks.
Prove it right now. Lick your thumb and go.
You do it.
You want me to lick my thumb and go like this to your head?
How would you lick it? Ew. It's so weird. Why I gotta spit on my forehead now? I take it back.
First ride along with no makeup. Natural.
First time?
First time.
Heck no.
Swear to God. Swear to God.
I would think that people wouldn't want to. It's hot in there. And
Nah, people be coming with they Sunday's best. No makeup, just the lashes. Winning. This is me moving my head, trying to see if I can see some foundation. Lift your neck up.
there's no foundation. I have nothing.
All right, neck and chin, forehead, all that match up, same color.
My eyebrows ain't even done. You get all close.
You came natural. Natural.
Too natural, probably.
Natural. Question. Is everything natural?
Everything is natural. Everything.
Everything.
It's not these lashes and not this hair. No, I gotta leave.
Everything else is natural.
Everything else is natural.
High five.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65.